Have you ever thought about getting a nose job but were afraid to go under the knife?
There's a new procedure now that could give your nose a new look without the surgery. Our colleague Ellen Leva is here to explain. Ellen?
It is called injection rhinoplasty, and one of the doctors that developed the technique is right here in the LA area. He takes dermal fillers normally used to plump up wrinkles to camouflage small imperfections of the nose.
My nose is one of my body parts that I hated.
Liana Gevojanya never wanted a nose job. The 35-year-old salon owner wanted a subtle change, just enough to smooth out a bump that has bothered her for years.
What if I didn't like it? You know, what if it didn't suit my face? What if, you know, it's too small for my features? What if, you know, and then you're stuck.
So Liana turned to injectables expert Dr. Alexander Rifkin.
Good, how are you?
Good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
In just minutes, he injected Liana's nose with a dermal filler normally used to smooth facial wrinkles.
The substance is kind of like a scaffolding, and you're injecting it into the skin, and it sits there and attracts cells to come in and kind of anchor it in.
And because it takes literally minutes and there's no anesthesia, patients often feel more in control of the final look.
Tell me what, you know, whether you think. I pause at certain points during the procedure, hand them a mirror and say, okay, well, what do you think? You know, should we do some more? Should we not, you know, should we stop there?
Dr. Rifkin fills in the bumps using 1 or 2 fillers, one called Restylane, which lasts for up to 4 to 5 months. The other, called Radiance, can last up to 2 years. Either way, if you don't like it, you're not stuck with a permanent surgical change.
It's a nice way to sort of try it on before you take it for a test drive before you buy it. And there's no downtime, there's no bruising, there's no swelling. You can do it, you can go to work right afterwards. Nobody knows that you've had anything done necessarily.
Injection rhinoplasty isn't for everyone. It can't change the size of your nose or correct more serious imperfections. But for patients like Liana, it is a simple solution to a long-time concern.
It's just knowing that I fixed that one little complex that I had. You know, whether, you know, it's a big difference to anybody else. It's a difference to me. I love my nose.
As for the cost, Dr. Rifkin charges between $500 and $800, depending on which type of filler is used. For more information, you can log on to our website at abc7.com. We will link you. Mark and Michelle, back to you.